Alright, so I'm going to show you to reset this device. This is the Galaxy A25. Alright, so go ahead and wake up your device. You're going to go to settings. So you go to settings. And once you're in settings, guys, you got to go down to general. So general management. From here, swipe down, you're going to see reset. Alright. I have several reset options here. Scroll down. This one is what you want, which is the factory data reset. You're going to tap. So check a few things. Here it will check all the emails associated with your device. And of course, it will tell you stuff here. Make sure you remove your email before beginning, or you're going to get a FRP lock. And once you remove your email, which is your Gmail, you can go ahead and hit reset. I'm not going to do this, I'm just showing you what to do. It's going to run through the process, and once it runs through the process, the device is going to be wiped, and that's how you do it on your device. So see you the next one, guys. Bye.